Welcome to Canada Insurance Plan. My name is Cynthia, and I'm going to share with you some information about funeral insurance plan. Most of us don't like to think about our own or for any loved one's funeral. But no matter how much we ignore the inevitable, the truth is that when the time comes, someone will be responsible for those expenses. The question is, will it be our grieving loved ones, like family members or friends, who would pay the bill? Or would you plan ahead and take out funeral insurance to cover those costs so they'll have one less concern to worry about? Funeral insurance protects your loved ones by covering the costs of the burial or cremation and service. Most funeral insurance policies range between $5,000 and $25,000 in value and are available to persons up to age 90. So it never becomes too late to start life insurance plan. Earlier the better. As your good health and young age, you can get lower premiums, which never change over the years and cover you till you live. One of the best things about funeral insurance plans is that they are affordable and accessible to everyone. Funeral insurance premiums are payable monthly, so as you could still pay the premiums even if you are on fixed income or low income. Enrolling into a funeral insurance plan does not require a medical exam, so people in high-risk categories, such as smokers or with pre-existing medical conditions, can still qualify. However, if you are healthy with very few health conditions which are under control with medication, then we can assure you lowest possible premiums as a broker shop around for you and assure you no one can do better than us. Even without these benefits, the reality is that funeral costs are constantly getting higher, and most of our current life insurance, if we have any, simply is not enough to cover medical bills, existing debt, and burial or cremation expenses. Even if you have existing policies which you carried out with some intended purpose, such as to pay off mortgage or leave some money behind for grandkids to complete higher education, or spend money at time of marriage, or anything else, you could leave that policy for that intended purpose and just take out dedicated policy for final expenses. With an additional funeral insurance policy, we can be assured that our loved ones have the funds necessary for a proper farewell. Other good reason to carry out additional life insurance policy is generally females outlive males. As their spouse pass away, they need for financial assistance, and they need little extra with them to continue with the same lifestyle. Funeral insurance provides security and shows those we love that we cared enough about them to plan ahead and to save them from the unnecessary stress of paying for our funeral. But more than that, funeral insurance can also be used to pay off additional medical costs or other incurred bills, so our families will not be hounded by debt collectors at one of the saddest moments of their lives. Funeral insurance benefits are 100% tax-free. We offer you personalized and professional assistance with our experienced and caring life insurance brokers. Simply call toll-free 1-800-283-5467. Final expense insurance is a smart choice for anyone and everyone because we never know when the time will come. Funeral insurance is easy to get and to afford. Funeral insurance provides tax-free money to help families through this emotionally difficult time, so as this weakest emotional point, they don't have to worry about money. Funeral insurance also provides us with the peace of mind of knowing we have eased the financial burden and the stress of our loved ones by taking an important step of buying a plan now to prepare for the future. In case you have any specific question or concern, please feel free to contact us, and one of our licensed life insurance advisors would be more than happy to assist and answer your questions. Our toll-free number is 1-800-283-5467.